Hello guys, if you are new here, hi, my name is Pam. I am a skincare and beauty content creator as well as a licensed esthetician and a mom of two. There's a lot that I bring to the table in my channel, so make sure you go ahead and check out the rest of my videos just so you can see what all I am about. And while you're at it, subscribe to my channel, that way you don't miss any more skincare review videos like the one we're going to be going over today. Excuse me. I am very excited for today's video because we are going to be unboxing and I'm going to go over how to use these products from Seranova Beauty, especially this one right here. This is a microneedling infusion kit. It is a 1 month supply, so I'm so excited to share with you guys. And if you guys want to see the end results and how my skin looks, make sure you stick around towards the end of the video. If you're someone who is starting to see some fine lines and wrinkles, some sagging skin, for example, for me, this right here is becoming a concern. These little wrinkles across my neck, you're starting to see wrinkles on the forehead, on the side of your eye. This microneedling infusion kit is definitely going to be something you're going to want to have in your skincare routine. I've already cleansed my skin. The whole purpose of this micro infusion system is that it uses ultra thin painless needles to create micro channels into the top layer of the skin, which helps deliver a serum containing hyaluronic acid and collagen peptides into the deepest layer of your skin, which most of your common anti-aging products cannot reach. This is also going to restore your lost collagen, which is the root cause of fine lines and wrinkles. They also sent me their micro-infusion under eye patches and their deep collagen cream, which we will go more into detail about it later. We are obviously going to start with the microneedling infusion. In this box, it comes with a microfusion device, a peptide infusion serum, 2 and 2. We're just gonna unbox all of them and just to see how it look. I didn't see any physical page here that shows me directions step by step, but it does have a barcode up here to where you can scan it, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna come out with the directions on how to apply the peptide infusion serum. So here I have already scanned the barcode and it's going to take me to a link tree, have directions in different languages. You can order the items through here as well. There's going to be a micro infusion step-by-step video tutorial English, and there's going to be a micro infusion system manual.
In just a few easy steps, your skincare routine and give you the glowing complexion you deserve. Let's set up your Seranova micro infusion system.
I actually love the fact that they have a video tutorial and a manual tutorial because I'm not always going to be able to go back and watch it, but if I can go back and read it, it's going to make more sense. I am a visual learner as it is, but when I watch the video once, I don't want to keep repeating the video. I want to make sure that I am reading something. I really like that they have the video and the manual tutorial. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the procedure. Make sure you cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser before applying this, just to make sure that you don't have any makeup residue or anything like that. So we're going to be removing this top right here. This. I want you guys to take a real close look on these little wrinkles that I have here real quick because I was having a hard time trying to open this serum. There is going to be a plastic thing on top of it, and there's going to be 2 arrows right here. You're going to want to push this towards those arrows so that way this thing right here is able to come off like that. This one I have to go back and put the plastic thing on there because just by twisting this, it's not going to come out. And then this rubber thing right here, we're just going to take it off. We're going to grab our infusion device and we're going to go ahead and pour that serum on there. Make sure there's nothing left. Go ahead and take the tip infusion device and twist it back on. We're gonna let the serum go down to the needles for about 2 minutes, and if you haven't already cleansed your skin at this point, I suggest you to leave it how it is and go cleanse your skin while this takes time to process down to the needles.
A few times onto your hand until the serum begins to dispense properly.
The serum's starting to come out, so what we're gonna do before we even begin pressing down on our skin, we're gonna patch test. This is going to allow to see if your skin can tolerate this, if you're not allergic to it. So we're just gonna go ahead and patch test on our wrist. And so we're gonna go ahead and start. I'm gonna start on one side of my face and I'm gonna work my way around down to my neck area. You're gonna want to gently stamp the face with a 50% overlap, and then we're going to repeat this process 2 to 3 times for best results. Another amazing ingredient this has is bitter orange flower oil, which is going to help brighten and even out the skin tone, as well as soothe it and calm irritated or sensitive skin. I do feel the needles just a tad bit. We're literally dabbing the serum onto our skin. We're going to avoid this area because this is our thyroid area, so you do not want to go over this area. After you have done stamping literally all of your face and your neck, areas that you want to stimulate that collagen, you're gonna take the top off, and the remaining of the serum, want to apply it in literally whole face, including your neck area. You're gonna throw away this cap with the 24 karat needles, and you're gonna want to throw away the little glass containers that the serums came in. I highly recommend you to do this treatment during the nighttime. That way you allow the serum to soak into your skin. The next day, you're gonna want to wash your face with a gentle cleanser. You're gonna want to avoid makeup for at least 24 hours after this treatment, and use total skincare products. You want to not use any of your harsh ingredient skincare. Anything that could possibly have any acids in it, you want to stay away from it for at least 24 hours. Aside from makeup, you're gonna want to stay away from sauna and a steam bath for at least 24 hours. You may experience a little bit of light redness or irritation. They're totally normal and should subside quickly. As any microneedling treatment done in a professional setting or at home, it's very normal that your skin would turn red or a little bit irritated. The following day after your treatment, after you cleanse your face, you're going to want to use your deep collagen cream morning and night. This is going to help soothe and hydrate your skin so deeply and boost your collagen production even further. You're also going to want to avoid any physical activities. And the only reason why I'm saying this is because any sweating and bacteria that you produce after this treatment can provoke adverse reactions. Last but not least, you want to stay away from the sunlight and wear a generous amount of sunscreen if you do happen to go out. Maybe a baseball cap or a sun hat would be ideal. You can also start showing some love to one of the most delicate parts of your skin, which is your under eye, with these micro infusion patches. These patches contain niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, peptides, vitamin C, and caffeine. You want to use this 72 hours after your treatment once a week. It is recommended to repeat this treatment every 2 weeks for 3 months for best results. Remember, consistency is key, guys. I can honestly say my skin feels so smooth and plump. I cannot wait for my next treatment. If you guys are ready to have the most glowing skin for summer like me, I will be leaving the link down below to where you can purchase this whole set along with a discount code for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.